Hello and welcome back to my video log of my server upgrade. If you've noticed on the past couple of scenes of this vlog, there's a very quick interruption at the very end as I'm trying to sign off. Well, that quick interruption or cutoff of the scene is due to the fact that my little camcorder that I started this recording this vlog with, the battery ran out, and I tried recharging the battery over and over again, and when I thought the battery was charged up, I'd try to finish off the scene, and then it would cut off right when I was trying to sign off or try to give a recap, and it was very frustrating, and I wanted to finish this off properly. So I went off, I bought another camera. This is the original one that I started recording this video log of my server upgrade, and it's broken and the battery does not recharge on it, and so new camera and hopefully a properly finished wrap-up of this video of this server upgrade that I've performed. Anyway, it's now a week after I've started. I was able to finish the upgrade by Sunday night. I started Thanksgiving Day on Thursday, worked all the way through Sunday. Finally got both servers up and running, configured with my Red Hat 5. And then I had to take a trip off to Chicago, so it wasn't until today that I was able to go off and buy a new camera and actually finish this off. So that's why it's a week later. I'm very happy with my upgrades. The systems are performing quite well. I did benchmarking on them. The network transfer speed is now at the full gigabit Ethernet speeds I'm getting transfer rates of roughly 117 megabytes a second, which is quite good. Previously, with my little AMD jobs that I had, I was getting transfer rates of about 30 megabytes a second. When I was doing the backups, large file backups between the systems, multiple gigabyte backups, I was actually doing disk I/O from one system to the other of 60 megabytes a second, which is excellent. So I'm really happy with the upgrades that I've got. I've installed VMware Server 2.0, so now I'm actually running Solaris. I have a Solaris virtual environment, and I have Windows Vista home environment, a Windows Vista virtual environment as well. So I'm using one of the systems as a virtual server, and the other one is my web server, and it does other functions that I won't go into right now. I'll give you a quick pan of the final setup. There they are. They look exactly identical to when I started. It's the same casing that I used. But it's all wrapped up, put together, plugged in, powered on, and they're running happily. There's still a few little details of the configuration that I need to do, but that'll happen over the course of the next month until I get them fully set up as I like them. And just one last little show and tell. The old hardware I threw up in here on these shelves. So I've got lots of old disk drives now that I ripped out. These are the old motherboards, the AMD motherboards that I have here. No, these are over here. We have the AMD motherboards that I've taken out. So over here, the old AMD motherboards. Well, you can't really see it that well, but anyway, they're wrapped up in the plastic. What is it? The anti-static bags. And all the disk drives and so on are piled up back in there. I've got decades of computer junk lying in there. Anyway, So that's where all the old parts went, and all the bags of trash. That's all the trash, the boxes and so on that are now will be taken out with the trash on Monday. So that is it for the upgrade. I hope you guys found this educational as to what it takes to rip out your motherboards and put new ones in, and all the software configuration, all the system maintenance that you have to do. It's not easy. It's a lot of work. So, but it's done, and I'm glad I did it. And like I said to myself earlier when I started this whole thing, this is the last time I'm ever going to upgrade these servers, ever. I've got terabytes of disk space. I've got 8 cores of AMD processors to throw at any application that I need to work on. And if I need to upgrade these things again, it's I wouldn't know why, but maybe next year I'll come back with some excuse that I have to upgrade to the, I don't know, the 16 core Xeon processors or something. Anyway, from my basement, I sign off. I'll see you guys later. Bye.